Today we're going to be testing out the Whitestone Dome Premium Gen Film for the inner screen on the Galaxy Flip 5, as well as the all-in-one pack that comes with a tempered glass screen protector for the outer screen, as well as the premium EPU film for the inner screen. Now make sure you stick with me to the end of the video because I will be doing a scratch and a drop test for the tempered glass screen protector. And if you guys want to pick these up yourself, I will be putting a product link in the video description. And you might be thinking that the Premium Gen Film is just like any other screen protector, and that's where you'd be wrong. This protector has multiple layers to actually make it harder than regular old protective film. So let's get started. So first we're going to start off with the all-in-one pack. So here we get 2 film screen protectors, 2 tempered glass screen protectors, a squeegee, an installation guide, 2 white packets, and 2 foam pads. So the first thing you want to do is to clean off your screen. Then we're going to take our guide, make sure the camera lens cutout goes over the camera lenses. Just press that into place. Then we're going to take our screen protector. We're going to peel off the film underneath. And then just rest this inside the guide. And then press down in middle. And it should adhere to the screen. Once it's done adhering, you want to press down on the screen a little bit to lift up the guide. Looks perfect. I did get a little speck of dust in the middle, but that's my fault. Everything else looks really nice. The edges are rounded off, so it feels nice and smooth. The screen protector feels just like the glass that's on the phone. Touch also seems to be working just fine. And it's nice and clear. Now let's test out our fingerprint rejection. It does pick up some fingerprints, but you can easily wipe those away with hardly any effort. So now let's put our case over our phone. And it looks to fit perfectly. There's no lifting, so it should be case friendly. This is probably the best fit that I've seen so far out of one of these tempered glass screen protectors. So everything's looking good so far. Now let's move on to the drop and the scratch test. We're going to be dropping a 2.4 ounce steel metal ball from a height of about 2 feet. If the screen protector doesn't break, we're going to move it up foot by foot until the screen protector eventually cracks. So here we go at 2 feet. Here we go at 3 feet. Here we go at 4 feet. 5 feet. 6 feet. 7 feet. So this screen protector lasted up until a 7-foot drop, which is definitely excellent drop protection range. So now let's move on to the scratch resistance. So tempered glass screen protectors typically start to scratch around a level 6, so we're going to start with a level 5. So here we have a level 5, and we're going to move on to a level 6, and finally a level 7. So if we look a little closer, as you can see, there's no scratches at a level 5. There are a little deeper at a level 6, and even deeper than that at a level 7, which is pretty much on par with other tempered glass screen protectors. So I'd definitely say that this tempered glass screen protector is one of the best tempered glass screen protectors for pretty much everything. Installation was super easy. It seems to be case friendly. Drop protection is excellent, and scratch protection is pretty much on par with other tempered glass screen protectors. So I would definitely recommend this screen protector, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Let's see how easily it lifts up off the phone. And it's still in one piece. Very nice. All right, so now let's move on to the inner screen protector installation. So the first thing you want to do is to clean off your screen really well. Now I do also want to let you know before I install this that Whitestone does recommend that you remove the screen protector that came pre-installed on the phone, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to install it right over the screen protector that was already pre-installed. Now do this way at your own risk. I just want to show you what it looks like if you were to just put it over this already installed screen protector. But if you happen to get bubbles or lifting or anything like that, it's probably because we installed it over the screen protector that's already there. So once the screen's all clean, we're going to take our screen protector, making sure that this back portion is underneath and our camera cutout is facing towards the camera on the phone. We're going to peel off that back sticker. Make sure you don't touch the screen protector underneath. We're going to hold it by the tabs and lay it down on the screen the best we can. All right, now once that's down, we're going to take our squeegee. You want to put it behind this middle line here. We're going to lift up on the number 2. Make sure that the screen protector goes up and over your phone and just squeegee that out. Just like that. Make sure there's no bubbles. Then flip it around and do the same thing for the other side. Lift up on the tab, making sure the screen protector goes up and over your phone and just squeegee that out. You may need to help it just a little bit. Installation looks perfect so far. Now, once you don't see any bubbles, we want to very carefully peel up this little front sticker here, making sure you don't take the screen protector that's underneath with it. That looks like a perfect installation to me. Even though I installed it right over the pre-installed screen protector, it looks perfectly fine. There are no bubbles, there are no lifting. As far as touch goes, nice and smooth. There's just an ever so slight bit of resistance, and there's a cutout for your camera, so you don't have to worry about your facial recognition. Working just fine. So as you can see, touch is working perfectly fine. No issues with touch whatsoever. It's nice and clear. Now, as far as fingerprints goes, it does seem to pick up some fingerprints, but it does reject a lot, and it's very easy to just wipe those fingerprints away. So now let's fold the phone for the very first time. And again, I don't see any problems, no lifting, no bubbles. It just looks perfect. So it is possible to get a perfect installation even if you put it over the screen protector that was pre-installed on the phone. So the screen protector is nice and clear. As far as the feel, it feels just like the screen protector that's already on the phone. It is nice and smooth, and touch seems to be working perfectly fine. And I still do not have any lifting or anything anywhere, and I've folded it multiple times already. Now let's see what happens when I run my fingernail over the screen protector. So as you can see, it does make lines in the screen protector, but this is a self-healing screen protector, so those lines that I just made should disappear within a few seconds. And as you can see, they're already starting to disappear. Now, the screen protector will protect your screen from scratches as long as you don't run anything too abrasive across the screen. If you use your fingernail or like a coin or something like that, it should create a line that will disappear in a few seconds, but if you were to use something like the edge of a key that was metal and sharp, it will create a scratch, and then you're going to need to replace the screen protector. So I definitely think this screen protector does a good job. It's very clear. Installation was very easy. Touch is really nice as well. So I would definitely recommend the screen protector, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And then here we have the Whitestone Dome Premium Gen Film. So we get one screen protector, an installation guide, a squeegee, our screen protector removal film, and an installation packet. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to clean off your screen thoroughly. Once we clean off the screen, we're going to take our installation guide. We'll take our phone, put it inside the tray with the camera facing up towards the top here. You can press that into place with your squeegee. Then take your little plastic piece here. We're going to place it in the little guide here with this little post facing down. Then you're going to take your screen protector, and we need to peel off the underside protector here, but make sure that it only takes the bottom screen protector and not the actual screen protector with it. Once you've done that, we're going to line up the bottom holes here with the bottom post on the guide, and then lay down the top holes over the top holes here, making sure that they go in the big holes, not the small holes. Then line the holes up on the guide, making sure the screen protector does not touch the phone screen. Then we're going to lay the top holes inside these little posts, just like that. Then we're going to take our squeegee. We're going to start at the bottom, press down, and continue to press forward until the whole screen protector is down on the phone. hold at the top and take off the screen protector from the posts. And then you can kind of squeegee down any bubbles that you might see. Once you're done with that, very carefully peel up the top protector off of the phone, making sure that it doesn't take the screen protector underneath with it. And then we can look for any bubbles we might see. You can squeegee those down. Once you're done with that, you can take your phone out and we'll take a look. So again, installation, super easy, looks perfect on the phone. And again, I put my screen protector over the factory screen protector that was already on the phone, and we have a perfect installation. No bubbles, no lifting, everything looks perfect, just like it was on the phone before I put the screen protector on it. Now, as far as touch goes, nice and smooth, just like the screen that's on the phone itself. Your camera on the top of your phone is not obstructed, so you don't have to worry about your selfies or Face ID not working. As far as fingerprints goes, it does seem to do a pretty good job at rejecting fingerprints. There's just very little smudges that you can easily wipe away with barely any effort. Touch seems to be working just fine, no problems there. And the screen is also crystal clear. So now let's fold our phone up for the first time. Don't see any lifting, no creases, there's no lines in the middle of the screen. It just looks perfect. Let's fold it up a couple more times. Absolutely perfect. No problems whatsoever. Looks just like the screen protector that came on the phone. So like I said before, this screen protector is not like other screen protectors. It's actually a little bit harder. So I just ran my fingernail over the screen and you don't see any lines like we did with the other screen protector. So here I'll show you the scratch resistance. I'm going to start off with a number 2, which is just a plastic tip. And as you can see, it's not doing anything to the screen. There's no scratches, no damage, anything. Now I'm going to take something a little bit more abrasive, like this copper tip, and we'll see what it does. So right off the bat, as you can see, it created some scratches that I can feel that will not come out. So again, this screen protector is definitely going to protect your screen as long as you don't scratch it with anything abrasive, such as a metal key. Anything that's sharp or metal, you will probably scratch the screen and it won't recover. So then you're going to have to replace the screen protector, but you won't have to replace the screen on your phone. So installation was super easy. It fits your phone like a glove. It will protect your screen from scratches, and it does a pretty good job at rejecting fingerprints. So I'm definitely loving this screen protector. I'm going to recommend it and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove this film. All I need to do is take this little blue film that you got in the kit, then very carefully get it underneath the screen protector. And as you can see, it is starting to lift, and then just kind of grab it and pull it up the rest of the way. And there you go. It's just that easy. And as you can see, your screen underneath is not damaged. So again, if you guys want to pick up either one of these screen protectors, I will be putting a link in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.